Today I'm going to show you how you can start making money by uploading videos on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so if you haven't heard, Facebook now has something called Facebook video ad breaks that allows you to make money when you upload videos to your Facebook page. You can place ads on your videos just like YouTube. They work pretty much the same way, where you can make X amount of money for X amount of views. And it really just depends on the topic of your videos and the topic of your page. In some videos you will get a higher CPM, in other videos you will get a lower CPM, and it really depends on where the people who are watching the videos are from. So for example, if you have people from the US, Canada, and other countries, you will get a higher CPM on your videos, meaning that you will make more money for every 1,000 views. Now, in order to get into the Facebook Video Ad Breaks program, you do have to qualify. And if you want to learn how to do that, I actually uploaded a video a few months ago that explains exactly how you can qualify for video ad breaks and some of the things that you got to keep in mind if you want to be successful with the Video Ad Breaks program. So I'm going to put a link below for that video so you can check it out. What you're looking at right now are some of the earnings that I received for some of the videos that we have uploaded to a specific Facebook page that I have, with over 500,000 likes on that specific page. And as you can see, some videos we've made a few $100s, and some other videos we've made just 20-30 bucks. And that's because it truly depends on how many views you're getting on your videos. Not every single video is going to be a hit. So I'm going to give you 5 tips that are going to help you make more money with the Video Ad Breaks program. But keep in mind that before you do that, you do have to qualify to get access to the Video Ad Breaks program based on my experience in the last few months. And hopefully I'm going to pass some of those tips to you so you can implement and also make money on Facebook. So tip number 1 that I have for you is to not use YouTube videos without permission. This is something that I have learned the hard way, because Facebook has a very sensitive copyrighted system. Basically, if you upload videos that are monetized on YouTube, that have music and things like that, and you actually try to upload it on your Facebook page, most likely that video will not be monetized, meaning that they're not going to approve it for monetization. And at the same time, you have a higher probability of getting hit with a copyrighted strike, meaning that they could actually take down your video, and that would hurt your monetization on your page. So when it comes to video monetization on Facebook, if you get a copyrighted strike on your Facebook page, they could actually temporarily ban you from monetizing your videos. So you do have to be really careful on what type of videos you upload on your Facebook pages. So if you're going to use YouTube videos, make sure that you have a large Facebook page with over 50,000 likes if possible, mainly because it's going to be easier for you to ask for permission. They're more likely to say yes to give you permission to post their video on your Facebook page because you have a large following on Facebook, and you can say something like, hey, I'm going to put a link to your YouTube channel or your YouTube video so you can get more views and subscribers. That way they're getting free exposure to their video and channel, and you actually have a new video that you can post and monetize on your Facebook page. But in order for you to do that, you got to have the permission, because if you actually take the video, upload it on Facebook, and that person finds the video, they can request a takedown of that video, and you could actually lose access to your video monetization. So finding the right videos, this is the most important part of actually making money with Facebook, mainly because if you actually upload the wrong videos, you could actually lose access to the whole thing. So make sure you have permission. Make sure that the videos you're uploading don't have any copyrighted music that could actually take down the video. And the bigger your Facebook page, the more likely you are to get more people to submit videos to you. And this is what's happening to us right now, because we have over 500,000 likes on that Facebook page, and there's people just sending us message with videos that they want to share on our Facebook page. And what we do is we take those videos, we edit those videos to include that credit for the person who actually sent us that video, and we'll actually upload it on our Facebook page and monetize it. But that's where you get to a point where you have a large audience. If you don't have at least 20-30,000 likes on your Facebook page, most likely you will need to go to something like YouTube to find the videos that you want to post on your Facebook page. But before you do that, make sure that you're asking for permission, and that you're not just simply grabbing every single video off YouTube and placing it on Facebook, because sooner or later that's going to come back and actually hurt your Facebook page. All right, so tip number 2 is to upload videos that are at least 5 to 7 minutes long. And what I found is that if you actually upload videos that are 5 to 7 minutes long on Facebook, you could place 2 ad breaks on your videos, and that's gonna double your chances of making money with your videos. Now, in order to get monetized on Facebook, your videos need to be at least 3 minutes long, but with just 3 minutes, you could only place 1 ad on that video. You could place more than 1 ad, but it's really not gonna look good. So you might want to just have videos that are at least 5 to 7 minutes long or more. That way you can place more ads on your videos and have more chances of making money. In those videos where we made more money, that was typically because those videos had 2 or 3 ads inside, and that way we made more money because we had more playbacks for those ads. So instead of trying to look for 3-minute videos, try to look for videos that are at least 5 to 7 minutes long. That way you can place more than 1 ad, and as you actually upload more videos, you're gonna be making more money per video. Which brings me to tip number 3, and that is volume. The more videos you upload on a daily basis, the more money you're gonna be making 6 months down the road. Right now, we have a library of videos that are making anywhere between $1 per week to $25 to $50 per week. And that's because those videos are monetized, and as we upload more videos to that Facebook page, they continue to get shares and likes, and we tend to make more money. So if you can find 2 to 3 videos per day, that's gonna help you make more money every single month, because every single month as you upload more videos, those older videos are gonna continue to make money for you, and that's gonna add to the volume of views that you get every single month, and that's gonna add to your income. So every single month you might make a little bit more money because of the newer videos and the older videos. Tip number 4 is to diversify your Facebook niches. What do I mean by that? Once you get a Facebook page approved for monetization for your videos, perhaps if you're able to get it to 20, 30,000 likes, then start looking for another niche which you can jump into and try to get that page also to 20 to 30,000 likes or more. That way, if something happens with one Facebook page, or you have some type of issue with that Facebook page or the videos in that page, you have another page sitting that's also approved for monetization. Because every single page that you create on Facebook has to be approved for monetization individually. So that means you got to get each page to 10,000 likes and make sure that they get approved so you can upload videos to both pages or 3 pages, and you have multiple pages making you money every single month for the videos that you're uploading on each page. The more diversified that you have your Facebook pages, the better, because you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, and you're not risking one Facebook account. If something happens to that Facebook page, at least you have other Facebook pages that are also monetized, and you can continue to make money with your videos. Which actually brings me to point number 5, and this is really important, guys, because with Facebook, you're basically managing all your Facebook pages under one account, your personal Facebook account. So when you upload videos, when you're uploading videos to multiple Facebook pages at the same time, if something actually happens to one of those videos, if they get hit with a copyrighted strike by Facebook, your personal account is gonna be hit as well. So once you have multiple hits on your personal Facebook account, you could lose access to your profile and access to basically all your Facebook pages. This actually has happened before. So my best advice is to get multiple admins to your Facebook pages. If you can get your spouse, your children, whoever that is, someone who you trust, admin access to your Facebook page. If something actually happens to your Facebook profile and Facebook deletes your Facebook profile, you could actually lose access to all the Facebook pages. So if you have multiple admins, if you lose your Facebook profile, at least your Facebook pages will be safe. So having multiple admins on your Facebook pages is actually a really, really good idea. It's gonna keep your Facebook pages secure, because you don't wanna be managing all your Facebook pages under one Facebook profile, because you have more risk of getting hit with copyrighted issues and things like that on Facebook, and they can remove the whole thing, and you are gonna go nuts if you lose all your Facebook pages. So guys, again, if you want to learn how to qualify for the video ad breaks program, I'm gonna put a link below for that video, which explains how you can qualify, and you can learn how you can start using this method to make, an extra $500 per month perhaps. But if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can make a full-time income online with affiliate marketing, you can always download my free affiliate marketing guide, which I'm going to put a link below for you to check it out. It's completely free. You can download it and you can learn how I personally make a full-time income online. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.